Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to discuss 10 MCQs of economics. Number 1 is, which of the following is a basic economic problem? Point, lower income and higher taxes. B point, unemployment and inflation. C point, unlimited wants and scarce resources. D point, balance of payment deficits and recession. So the answer is, think about it. The answer is C, unlimited wants and scarce resources. Number 2 is, which of the following is not an economic resource? Air, water, sulfuric acid, books. Think about it. The correct answer is air. Number 3 is, which of the following is not a basic economic question? How to produce, what to produce, for whom to produce, where it will be produced. The correct answer is where it will be produced. 4 MCQs is, which of the following is not a factor of production? Land, labor, money, entrepreneurship. The correct answer is C, money. Number 5 MCQs is, which of the following is not a measure of income earned by a factor of production? Rent, interest, profit, taxes. The correct answer is D, taxes. Number 6 MCQs is, a controlled freedom and equality is the characteristics of capitalism, socialism, Islamization, fascism. The correct answer is C, Islamization. The 7th MCQs is, economic growth is an industrial society results from technological change, innovation, capital production, all of above. The correct answer is all of above. Number 8 MCQs is, who is generally regarded as the founder of classical school? David Ricardo, Adam Smith, T.R. Malthus, J.S. Mills. The correct answer is B, Adam Smith. The next one is, when was Adam Smith's major work, An Inquiry into the Nature and Causes of Wealth of Nation, published? 1770, 1776, 1856, 1754. The correct answer is B, 1776. The 10th MCQs is, economic theory deals with microeconomics, macroeconomics, micro and macroeconomics. None of them. The correct answer is C, micro and macroeconomics, because it deals with both micro and macroeconomics.